What is going on, y'all? Did you want to introduce it?
I don't care. Go ahead.
All right, so here we are chit-chatting away. We have got, this is just cruel and unusual. We got Rigel in here making noise. This is just cruel and unusual punishment for me. I am 32 weeks into this prep, and we are going to do an unboxing on sweets that I can't eat, but Crystal's going to. So
I will gladly eat them.
Yeah, our friends at Blue Barn Bakery own an amazing keto bakery company. They make everything that's super ketogenic friendly. You get a bunch of products that are like marketed as keto, but then there is significantly more carbohydrates in the macro profile than there is dietary fat, which in my opinion totally negates it as being called ketogenic in the first place. And they try and just, hide that by using a bunch of sweeteners, alluloses
fillers.
and everything, fillers and everything. They'll play the whole net carb game. And I don't like that. I like honest marketing, honest labeling, and legitimate ketogenic products, which is why I like Blue Barn Bakery. Plus, Laura and Courtney Holloway, the two that run it, are just amazing, amazing, amazing human beings that are incredibly sweet people.
Yep.
I feel like I'm doing all the talking. Go for it. Say something.
Okay, so these ladies are awesome. So I decided to order some of these cookies and stuff because they are actually doing shipping now. So I'm really excited about the shipping option because these guys are located in Arkansas, but they're in Conway, Arkansas, which is a little bit of ways from us. So the only opportunity we would get to actually go there is when we visit Robert's parents and stuff, and usually we're so involved with the family that we don't get the chance to stop by as much as we want. So they're actually doing shipping now, which is awesome, but they're doing shipping all over the US. So we wanted to share that with you guys because this is a trusted keto bakery company that we actually can get behind, that we support, that we like their ingredients, we like their macros. They all taste delicious. A couple of years ago, they made a cake for Robert's birthday. I almost ordered something for Rigel's birthday, but I didn't think of it in time. But these guys are amazing, so we just wanted to...
They smell so good.
They do. Let's share with them what we have, actually. And then they all came in these little packages, and they were each individually packaged. The peanut butter cookies, they came 2 in one package, but then everything else came separately.
So you're gonna try all of these?
I am going to try them all, but I don't need to try them all on the camera.
I don't get to try any of them, so which one are you going to try on camera?
I don't know. That one is catching my eye, but these smell so good.
But check this out. So like the keto lemon cookie, for instance, which smells tantalizing, made with almond flour, coconut flour, monk fruit, erythritol, xanthan gum, baking soda, cream of tartar, eggs, lemon extract, lemon juice, and salt.
It's real stuff.
Yeah, the carbs, 4 grams, fiber is 2 grams, fat is 10 grams, protein is 7 grams. So legitimate.
For a whole, thick cookie.
That looks substantial.
So good.
So legitimate ketogenic macros. The carbs are not higher than the fat. We got keto butterscotch pecan cookie.
I'm so excited to try this one.
Smell that one. Oh.
I know.
The macros on that are 4 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 10 grams of fat, 3 grams of protein. Yep. You can try one right now? Which one?
I'll try it. Let's try the peanut butter while we're on
there. All right, peanut butter cookie. We got peanut butter, egg, monk fruit, and erythritol. That is it for the ingredients. 4 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 11 grams of fat, 6 grams of protein. And the texture looks
oh my gosh,
amazing. It looks amazing.
It's so good.
How's it taste? Amazing? I'm just living vicariously through her
a real
right
peanut butter cookie,
Yeah.
It tastes like it. I'm gonna try this one too because.
Which one is that one?
This one? Oh, I don't know the name of it, actually.
Oh, it came in a box. We don't have the name for this one. But it looks really good.
So I'm really excited about this one. It just it looks so good. Okay, come on now. There we go.
Yeah, the texture on these looks pretty phenomenal. They smell amazing. Pretty good? Mm-hmm. Pretty good.
I don't know what it is, though.
So yeah, I don't even know
That's
what to
good.
say. I can't eat them right now. But I love Blue Barn Bakery. I love supporting local businesses. I love Courtney and Laura Holloway. I'm super stoked that they are doing shipping now because it opens up the doors for much more opportunity. So definitely check them out.
I did want to also mention that most of their stuff is dairy free as well. I feel like that's a big concern for a lot of people. I don't think that they're all egg free. I don't know that they have any that are egg free, but you definitely can check it out. One thing I did tell them is that I didn't see their macros or ingredients on their website, but that's actually something that they're working on right now. So hopefully by the time you guys see this, their macros and ingredients will be up. If you guys have any questions, you guys can message them on Facebook or Instagram or through their website and ask them like, hey, what are the macros? What are the ingredients? But they were on these little packages.
They also offer baked goods, obviously meals, coffee, herbal tea, supplements, and health coaching.
Yeah.
So great people, great cause, great company. Just wanted to highlight them and
They're awesome.
say if y'all want some legit ketogenic
Yeah.
treat products, that would be where we would direct you to.
Especially during the holiday season when sometimes it's easier to like just order stuff than it is to make it all. So, yeah.
Bow chicka wow wow, y'all. Get you some at bluebarnbakery.com. Appreciate you, Courtney and Laura, for hooking us up. Y'all keep doing amazing work, and we'll talk to y'all next time.